EV charger installation quotes, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania, 610-590-9404. Many thanks for clicking on this video about EV charger installation quotes, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania and Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Call our company now if you may need electric car charger installation for your house or company. Our telephone number is 610-590-9404. We are on call to help you with installations and repair work of electric car chargers. Additionally, today we are going to find out about tax credits for electric car charger installation. Depending upon where you live, you might be qualified to get tax credits for installing an electric car charger. There are two varieties of fast charging stations, level 2 and DC. Both of them may be installed at home, however it is essential to learn which one is right for you. You additionally need to think about the cost, which can change from one business to another. Level 2 versus DC fast charging stations. Picking a charging station is a vital choice for electric car owners. There are two primary choices, level 2 and DC fast charging stations. Having said that, the choice depends on the sort of vehicle. Level 2 chargers are the most popular. They charge your EV at rates of about 25 miles per hour. These are generally less expensive to buy and install. They feature a Sage A1772 EV plug that works with almost all vehicles. They are available for sale online or in the US. Level 3 chargers, alternatively, are quicker and more expensive. They can recharge your EV in 20 to 30 minutes. They are best for roadside stops or retail locations. They need 400 to 900 volt direct current infrastructure. Unlike level 2 chargers, they are a bit more complex to install. Level 1 versus level 2 electric car chargers. Picking the ideal electric car charger isn't typically simple. There are a number of options accessible, and each has its benefits and drawbacks. A wise selection is dependent on the amount of money you are willing to invest, the convenience you are searching for, and the overall flexibility you have. There are two main types of chargers available, and each has its own benefits and downsides. The very first is a standard home outlet that offers a range of 12 to 30 miles per hour. The second is a level 2 charger, which works on 240 volts. This kind of charging is much faster, and supplies more range than the level 1 charger. Using the correct source of power can enhance the battery's capacity by 8 times. The small level 1 charger is often offered with brand new electric cars. It is a little box that looks like a regular home outlet, but with a longer cable and grounded plug. Electric car charger expense. No matter if you own an electric car or are preparing to purchase one, installing an EV charging station can cost as much as $1,000. The installation cost will depend upon where you live, the type of charger you desire, and how far the charger is from your residence. In most cases, the fee for an EV charging station will range from $1,200 to $2,500. The amount will be influenced by the distance from the electrical panel to the charging port, and the electrical panel's capacity. An EV charging station must be installed by a certified electrical contractor. An electrical contractor will have the ability to offer you a more precise estimate. A professional can likewise help you decide on the most ideal location for the charger. If you need to get a brand new breaker box, this will additionally contribute to the installation cost. A brand new breaker box costs $500 $1,000. It may be worth the cost for people who make use of their garage for more than one vehicle. Electric car charger tax credits. No matter if you are a homeowner or a business, there are lots of tax credits that could be applied to the costs of installing an electric car charger. These can be a substantial help. Several of these are federal and others are state-sponsored. You will be required to fill out an IRS Form 8911 when you submit your company taxes, and this will help you to identify the credit you will receive. Apart from the federal tax credit, you might also be qualified for regional and state incentives. The National Conference of State Legislatures has a detailed list of programs in each state. You can locate information about these programs by browsing on your state's site. To get budget-friendly electric car charger installation prices, and learn how you may have the ability to get your brand new electric car charger installed for virtually nothing, utilizing tax credits, call us today at 610-590-9404. EV Charger Installation Quotes, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania, 610-590-9404.